How'd I go from this to this, then this? Keep watching to find out.
I don't want that. You're the reason I've been falling, let me fall back. Love, I'll give you right back.
Welcome to my channel where my hair is a dry, brittle ass mess. It has not always been this way. This was my hair before Ola Plex, so the scare that you bear witness to is after trying Ola Plex only one time. I am on a mission to repair my hair by using Amika hair products and my favorite silicone mix. Then we're going to finish off with a protective style because I need all the protection and the army of God to fix this. Here I am combing out the tangles while the silicone mix penetrates my strands, and I'm just showing you guys, look at how my hair is still just breaking in massive chunks. I literally wanted to cry. Ola Plex made my hair dry and ashy as all get out, but we will get that beautiful mane back atop our heads. Just look at that full chunk of hair. After rinsing the mix out, I am taking this brush with a heat protectant. As you see, we have no smoke and don't want any smoke, so that I can go straight into trimming my ends. When it comes to trimming your ends, don't be afraid, it will grow back. For those of you who don't know, my name is Alexandra, well known as Dear Alex, and I am a reality vlogger slash beauty content creator, and I might sprinkle a little singing here or there, but in 2024, I have created an action plan to show the heck up for you and me. Go ahead and subscribe to become one of my real friends, then hit the notification bell so I know it's real. And then you also don't have to miss any time I upload a video. Now that we've gotten our mid-tro out of the way, let's get into sectioning off our hair. What you will see me use on my parts will be jam braider fingers. I love that it also conditions the roots while keeping the strands in their place. This allows you to have precision because this style will need it, honey. I am showing you guys a pattern that will create the illusion of an individual soft locking style. Comment below if you entered 2024 with a protective style. Speaking of the way you entered 2024, what are some of your goals? I want to see them in the comments. As I've mentioned, I want to increase my presence on social media while giving quality content, but I also need an action plan. Have you guys created action plans for yourself? Something else I like to do is make myself available for my friends. Nurturing adult relationships as a single parent, it can be tough. So what I did was I sent a little cute text to all of my girlies letting them know I enjoyed them in 2023 and would love to continue nurturing our friendship in 2024. I then asked them, could we commit to a start date? Oh, that's a big word for a lot of us, but it's okay. It doesn't bite. When I tell you my girls stood on fun times, and I love that for us. One thing I can't do is indulge in the fun with my hair looking a hot mess. I can't lie, I was blessed with the ability to do my own hair. I'm still a rookie, but I can turn a struggle into a blessing real quick. Nano story time, when I was a kid, we couldn't afford bi-weekly trips to the hair salon, so from high school to present time, I've been making do with the tools God gave me. The will to make a way, child. With God, your hands, and the ability to learn, the sky isn't even the limit. If you're still here, comment won't he do it? Y'all see me connecting these plaits and braiding it back and blindly parting these parts? Honey, we're going to make it work. This pattern is 100% beginner friendly and sure to leave your friends wondering how did you do this style in 2 hours or less. Comment below if you're no longer interested in sitting in a chair for 8 hours. And if you want to sit in that chair for 8 hours because self-care, then that's cool too. I know how therapeutic it can be talking to your stylist about life's ups and downs and all arounds. Do you, sis? Do you? I'm really hoping this is a good angle and that you get the idea from here, but if not, comment I need slow-mo for a detailed version of this pattern. So here I am just showing you the finished pattern, and I don't want to hear none of y'all talk about how weirdly shaped my head is. Child, ignore that. Now we're just going to start crocheting these soft locks into our hair. Products will be in the description box below, so please check that out. Don't just leave it sitting there because this hair was super affordable. I bought these locks August 2023, and at the time, I wanted them tailbone length, but because I want these up in a bun and I don't want all of that long hair, I had to cut them down. So you will see me cut these down a little later in the video. When you are installing your locks, it is perfectly fine to move around the head so that you don't have too many weighing on one side. And now I'm just going to show you guys the length of these locks. Look at how much I had to pull up, honey. Oh my goodness. Let's go ahead and clip these things shorter so that we can butter up this bun, hun. All right, and now I'm just pulling my hair up. Do you guys see that illusion? It's very illusion-esque. I love it. And here's the finished product. Go ahead and thumbs up and leave a comment if you like this video and subscribe for more.